This week, you are going to be taking what you know about HTML and CSS and creating menus. So you're going to be applying the CSS in a little different way. So there is no reading assignment this week. The lecture demo kind of reviews unordered lists because unordered lists are used for menus. So we kind of review that. And then we start going through the CSS that you need to use to create different types of navigation bars. Okay, so this is a vertical bar. Go through all the styling here, maybe how that would look on a page. Okay, and then a vertical bar with some submenus, different ways of setting it up, and then we get into a horizontal bar. Okay, and different ways of styling. Okay, submenus. So you're going to basically be taking what you know about CSS and applying it to create these menus. You're also going to learn how to use font libraries, and these font libraries have icons in them. So how do you pull these icons onto your page? So you're going to learn how to do that, and that's what those look like. And you can display them vertically or horizontally. You'll also be learning how to use HTML entities. So HTML entities are code that actually creates little icons. So you're going to learn how to do that as well. And all of these little icons were created with code. And then finally, you're going to learn something kind of fun, and these are animated navigation buttons. Okay, so lots of different ways to create menus and buttons, and it's all using HTML and CSS that you are familiar with. So once you finish going through the lecture demo, you're going to go through your textbook assignment, and there are videos in here. You are going to be downloading a structure, and this structure you can see contains quite a few files in addition to folders and images. And basically, you are going to be creating a vertical menu in this one, which basically involves modifying CSS. And then you are going to be using IDs to do the same thing. So you're going to practice the two different ways of creating these menus. And then you're going to do a horizontal menu, okay, with a submenu. So you're going to get to see how to do that as well. And then finally, we're going to do an icon bar. So I'm going to give you a page, and make sure you right-click and save link as or save target as for this. But this is what the page looks like, and you can see that I have the menu in it. So you're going to be adding a icon bar to the bottom. And this code shows you how to do that. Finally, that example I showed you with the side animated menu tabs, you're going to create one of those yourself. Okay, and after doing all of that, you are going to be transferring to the web and linking those pages to your assignment page. For the lab assignment, you are basically going to be converting your assignment page into a page that displays two menu navigation bars. So you'll have a navigation bar for the textbook assignments, and then you're going to have one for the lab assignments. Okay, and this is what it should look like, or it should look similar to when you're done. And I did include a video that kind of walks you through how to make these assignments or how to make this transition between your current assignment page and then the one with the menus. So you definitely are going to want to watch that video because it will help you complete this assignment. Okay, and then I've got the written instructions that guide you through as well. Once you've got those menus, you're going to add an icon navigation bar to the footer of your page. So how this is going to look at the bottom is something like that. Now, I don't want you to simply copy and paste my bar because you can see this has got links to all of my social media. So, what I want you guys to do is link to either your social media or sites that you like. Okay, because you don't have to use home and Pinterest and LinkedIn. Okay, you can use, whatever you want. So, you can find icons that are of interest to you and link to those sites. I don't want you copying and pasting mine. Okay, and then once you're done, you need to add those lesson 10 links to the assignment page and transfer everything to the web. So most students really enjoy doing this assignment. They like making the menus. And you have lots of different options as far as how you want the menus to look. And I should mention that even though I did them horizontally, I don't have a problem if you guys want to do a vertical menu. Okay, it's totally up to you how you display the menu. If you would rather do the animated tabs, that's fine too. Okay, so you can basically create whatever type of menus you want. Okay, if you need help with this, because all of the classes I teach have now transitioned to online, I have lots of online office hours. So feel free to stop by. If those office hours don't work for you, then we can arrange something outside of those office hours. You just need to email me and let me know when you're available. We can find a time that works for both of us. So let me know if you have questions or problems. And I think you guys are going to really enjoy this and have fun working with it.